Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is an inspired look by the famous Gigi Hadid, and without further ado, let's just jump straight into this video. Okay, so I've already applied my foundation, and today I'm using the Rimmel London Perfect Match, and this is in the color Natural Beige. Going to set my foundation with some Avon powder, and this is the color Light Medium. Going to bronze up the outer edges of my face using my LA Girl powder. This is the Pro Face High Definition powder in the color Classic Tan. This is not a super dark powder, it's just going to give a light shadow to bronze up my face. Going into this bronzer palette by Beauty Treats, I'm going to mix these two colors very lightly because Gigi Hadid did not have a super sharp contour. She had a very bronzed cheekbone, so I'm just very lightly just dusting this two shades on my cheekbone. Now her eyebrows are super light and her hair color is light, so I'm not going to look identical. This is just an inspired makeup tutorial, so I'm going to just brush out my eyebrows, and her eyebrows are very natural, not really carved out as I would normally do my eyebrows. So I'm just going to use a brush, an eyebrow brush, and brush everything up. Okay, so I'm going in with this light brown shade. Going in with my Liquid Metal eyeshadow. This is by Catrice Cosmetics and it's a beautiful shimmer shade. This is called Satina van de Woodsen. I'm going to apply this to my inner corner, the bridge of my nose, and also my brow bone. Going to grab my Kryolan highlight and contour circle, and I'm going to apply this light shade under my eyes and going to highlight using this color. Going back into my Avon powder just to set those highlighted areas. Going back into my Beauty Treats palette, I'm going to pick up this shimmer bronzer shade, and I'm going to use that as a bronzer and also a blush. Next, going into this shade, and I'm going to apply this to the high points of my face. I'm going to use the I Heart Extreme Lashes Mascara by Essence, and I'm going to apply this to my top and bottom lashes. Okay guys, I'm not adding any lashes for this makeup look. I think her makeup looked very natural and very pretty, and my lashes is long enough for this particular makeup look. So why I love the Essence I Heart Mascara is because even though it's waterproof and it's gonna last you the longest, it also does not smudge. And another thing I love about this mascara is it really allows your natural eyelashes to stand out without having to like smudge during the day or look short. So why I love this so much is because it actually looks like I wear fake lashes when it's actually my natural eyelashes, and that is a huge plus. So for this look, I think she did have some eyelashes on, but I'm not going to add any. Also, another thing I wanted to mention was it looks like she had a smudged out winged eyeliner. Now, it's not a very dark black eyeshadow or anything of that sort. It's just a very light brown smudged eyeliner look, and honestly I love doing this step when I just use when I don't have any eyelashes on, or when I'm going for a more natural eye look. I like to go in with a brown shade. I think I'm going to use, she had a very light brown shade, so I think I'm gonna go with probably this color. And with an angled brush, what I like to do is I like to start halfway or towards the end and then kind of draw a smudged winged eyeliner. Does that make sense? I like to just go in with a brush, an angled brush like this, the one that I use to cover my eyebrows. And I honestly, this picks up your eye makeup look so much. It gives like it gives definition to your eye. So I'm just going to smudge just halfway, not really starting at the inner corner or even halfway. It's honestly right just past the halfway mark on your eyelid. And I just like to smudge this color and wing it out. Now you guys, it does not have to be perfect. That's the whole point of a smudged wing eyeliner. Next, going into lips is the color 914 Vibrant Mandarin, and this is by Maybelline, I believe. This is the closest color I have to the one Gigi was wearing. It looked almost like an orange, a very dark orange, so I might be mixing this with a little bit of red. It just depends on how it looks to you guys, so I'm just going in with this color. Okay, this color does look a bit on the pastel side, so I'm going in with a darker color. Okay, so I'm going in with the MAC Ruby Woo over this color. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!